Hi, this is a tutorial to install the Excel app to your computer. First, you need to go to Canvas and click on Modules. Next, scroll down until you find the Office 365 login. Click on that, and that will open a link to Microsoft 365 on the web. Go ahead and log in with your email address and password for Fontbonne University if you aren't already logged in. Next, go over to the button that says Install and More. Click on that and then click on Install Microsoft 365 Apps. Here you will be able to click on this button to install the Office apps to your computer.